Welcome back, folks. This is going to be short. It's been a really busy day. I am in my pole bean trellis, right? That monster trellis. The pole beans are just starting to climb, so it won't be long now. We do need rain. That would help considerable. But it's just been a busy day. It's been odds and ends stuff, and even though I had the camera in the back of my pants pocket, I didn't dig it out very much, but I did dig it out a couple of occasions. Not very happy.
No, he's not a happy camper. Now, if he slithered down into that grass, he'd be fine. She wouldn't be able to see him anyway. I'm going to try to strike you.
No, I'm not close enough. All right, go on.
No.
He is not happy.
No.
So there's a snippet or two at the end of this video. And again, this is going to be a very short video. So the cucumber beetles, been picking them off. 'Tis the season, and then the squash beetles will be coming, and they like to attack the pole beans, right? Or the bush beans. So there's the next battle. I found a little small skeleton today, folks. It's a little tiny thing, and I took some pictures, and the skeleton, well, the skull of what I found was maybe 1.5 inches long, so I'm thinking maybe a mouse or a mole or something like that. I don't know. Maybe y'all can tell me. It does have teeth, and they do angle backwards. So I don't know what it is. I took a picture of all directions, and maybe some of you know what that little skull is. So I'm going to be monitoring the bog level and for the next day or two, because I think there's another beaver dam down below. Matter of fact, I know there is. So I tried to unplug that culvert on the camp road here. I tried to do that, and I couldn't even budge any of it by hand. So my stepdad to the rescue. He brought his backhoe down and did his thing, you know. So if you want to see that, it's pretty exciting, folks. Well, it is for me because it just is. But some of you may enjoy how he took out that beaver dam inside that big culvert with the backhoe and a white birch tree. So I don't know if it was white birch or gray birch. It was a birch anyway. So I guess that's it. I don't have anything else to say. I don't have anything else to show other than what I'm going to show you coming up. So if you want to watch that, you can go ahead. I will measure that mullein plant because I'm really curious to how close to 7 feet it is. That's my guesstimate. So just out of curiosity for myself, I want to do that, and I'll share the height for any of you that want to know. So the garden's looking good, folks. I've completely finished weeding my garden. Oh, about noontime, I guess, and we just need rain. We need rain so bad, folks. So the water table is really down, I guess, from what people are saying. Their wells are going dry. So even though we've got a 1/2 inch here and a 1/2 inch there and a couple inches here and there, it's just not enough. It's just been too dry, folks. So send some rain our way. A couple 3 inches would be nice. We don't want a downpour. We don't want a monsoon. We don't want it to keep raining for a month. So, gotta be careful what we wish for, right? So, I guess that's it, folks. Thank you for stopping by, and come again. Thank you. Right there. What's it hitting on? Huh? It's gotta go to the left more? So it's like,
If I can get it in here a little bit, I'll hold up on it out there and I'll drive that in right now.
you don't think it chain? Oh, yeah. Would a chain be faster?
I don't know. It's got to go all the way through.
Oh, the log's long enough.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.